Our journey begins in sprawling orchards, where ripe guavas thrive under the sun. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. In sun-drenched orchards, ripe guavas are meticulously hand-picked, beginning their journey to juice. State-of-the-art hydraulics gently tip the harvest, commencing its journey. A monumental symphony of automation orchestrates the initial stage of production. Precision control systems ensure a seamless, efficient flow of raw materials. Multiple bays work in unison, processing vast quantities with remarkable speed. High-pressure jets inside the vortex ensure every guava is meticulously cleaned. Automated systems guide each guava flawlessly through the powerful washing currents. The colossal machinery operates with futuristic precision, handling thousands of guavas per hour. From orchard to processing, every step ensures uncompromised quality and hygiene. Every A-ripe round oval block is smooth, slightly waxy yellow green and a fine callus. Its firm flesh is vibrant pink, speckled with small, edible seeds, and possesses a grainy texture. Receives individualized attention from the powerful orchids. Robotic precision guides the guavas, ensuring a flawless and efficient washing cycle. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each guava, ensuring only perfection proceeds. Every A-ripe, round oval guava with smooth, slightly waxy yellow green skin and a prominent callus. Its firm flesh is vibrant pink, speckled with small, edible seeds, and possesses a grainy texture. Is scrutinized for size, color, and flawless quality. Swiftly remove any ripe, round oval block with smooth, slightly waxy yellow green skin and a prominent callus. Its firm flesh is vibrant pink, speckled with small edible seeds, and possesses a grainy texture, failing the rigorous quality checks. Factory technicians meticulously monitor the advanced optical sorters, ensuring peak performance. Macro sensors analyze texture and ripeness with unprecedented accuracy. Guavas move with incredible speed and precision, a symphony of automation. From precise scanning to rapid air jet removal, every step is automated. The optical sorting hall, a testament to efficiency and unwavering quality control. The journey of each perfect baked, light, round oval guava with smooth, slightly waxy yellow-green skin and a prominent gill. Its firm flesh is a vibrant pink, speckled with small edible seeds, and possesses a grainy texture. Continues, validated by technology. This meticulous sorting guarantees pure, consistent guava juice of the highest standard. Precision engineering guides ripe guavas into the heart of colossal machinery. Massive grinders, a marvel of modern engineering, prepare for their task. Inside, the guavas are transformed by powerful, precision grinding mechanisms. Advanced sensors meticulously monitor the pulp's quality and flow, ensuring perfection. Across the vast facility, multiple grinding units operate in perfect synchronicity. Skilled technicians ensure flawless operation of the grinding machinery. Robotic precision further refines the grinding process, ensuring optimal yield. Guava pulp is precisely pumped into colossal screw press extractors, initiating juice separation. Advanced sensors constantly monitor the purity and quality of the extracted juice. Each stage of extraction is optimized for maximum yield and pristine quality. Colossal centrifuge systems purify the vibrant guava juice, removing even the finest particles. These powerful decanters spin at incredible speeds, separating pulp from liquid with precision. The separated pulp is efficiently discharged, testament to the centrifuge's precision and cleanliness. The journey continues as the juice enters a secondary array of centrifuges for final polishing. Expert technicians fine-tune parameters, guaranteeing optimal clarity and purity for every batch. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control, meticulously verifying its pristine clarity. From raw fruit to pure liquid, this vast finishing room buzzes with precision and innovation. The smooth, pure guava juice, a vibrant testament to advanced processing, is now ready. This intricate process ensures every drop of guava juice meets the highest standards of clarity and taste. Through a labyrinth of pipes, the clarified juice flows, meticulously guided by advanced systems. Inside, the juice is rapidly heated and cooled, safeguarding its fresh flavor and vital nutrients. Automated valves and pumps precisely control the flow, ensuring every drop is treated perfectly. The intricate design of the unit ensures maximum flavor preservation and nutrient retention. From humble fruit to refined juice, precision and technology ensure quality at every stage. Hundreds of bottles are prepared, ensuring every drop of the exquisite guava juice is perfectly contained. Each bottle receives its perfect measure, handled with impeccable robotic precision. Robotic arms swiftly place caps, securing freshness and quality for every single bottle. The sealed bottles embark on their journey, a testament to automated excellence. Advanced sensors ensure every single bottle meets our stringent quality standards. Our dedication to quality ensures every bottle delivers the pure taste of guava. From raw fruit to finished product, every step exemplifies cutting-edge manufacturing. Advanced robotics ensure every label is applied with pinpoint accuracy. From raw fruit to perfectly branded bottles, quality is paramount. Every detail matters, ensuring consistent quality and brand representation. These perfectly labeled bottles are now prepared for distribution to consumers worldwide. Precision robotics orchestrate a ballet of efficiency, ensuring every bottle finds its place. A symphony of automated movements ensures continuous, high-volume production. Advanced sensors guide every move, ensuring flawless packing. Every case is consistently packed, ready for the next phase of distribution. The future of manufacturing unfolds with every precisely packed case. From raw fruit to final package, every step is a testament to quality and innovation. Advanced robotics orchestrate the meticulous palletizing of freshly sealed guava juice cases. Layer by layer, cases are stacked with flawless efficiency, constructing towering, stable pallets. Silent and swift, automated guided vehicles glide into action, transporting the finished product. Through vast, cathedral-like aisles, AGVs transport finished pallets with unerring precision. Seamlessly, AGVs navigate complex routes, ensuring an unbroken flow of product. Every movement, every placement is executed with unparalleled precision by intelligent systems.